In this tips and tricks video, I'm going to show you how to move a regulatory action from submitted to approved that does not require approval from a competent authority. So it is often a case that we make an internal adjustment that we need to document for internal purposes, but it doesn't necessarily have to be approved by a competent authority. So that is the example we have here. And so if you attempt to move this regulatory action to approved, an error message will be given. So this error message is saying that a document must be associated with the regulatory action. So in these cases, I have a document that you can link. So simply click on Receive Documents, Add, and then I use the keyword dummy, such as dummy document. It's just placed in the search here, and this will pull up one document. You could also use the actual document number to find the same document. So this is basically a placeholding document that allows you to move the regulatory action forward. So we'll follow the same process, and now the action will be able to be moved to the state of approved. And there you have it.